This is a status update on the Pelican PL. The wingtips are attached with lights. The control surfaces are all attached and connected to cables. Avionics are in place. One more sensor to be added. Trig radio, and I selected this because of the nice, capable two-place intercom that it provides. Of course, from previous videos, you know the EIS is installed in the wrecking. This is a Avionics AV20 connected to tail beacon X, which I will show in a moment. Of course, the primary flight information comes from a eye level AW3. As you might have heard a moment ago, there are speakers temporarily attached to the radio so I can listen to transmissions on the ground while I'm working here in the hangar. Speaking of the AV20, it serves to back up the eye level 3AW, providing angle of attack as well as flight information, horizontal situation, well, not really horizontal situation indicator, but a artificial horizon, as well as other functions to include outside air temperature, true airspeed, and altitude. Now the tail beacon X has completed its initiation, and so that's installed back there, providing mode S and ADS-B out capability, and of course the eye level AW3 providing the ADS-B in display. Wingtip lights operate. And strobe. And you can hopefully see the reflection on the wall over there of the red light, and of course a strobe on that side. The bubble to accommodate the Viking 110, different from the originally designed Rotac 912, has been created. It still has some finishing work, and of course the Viking cooling duct is in a different location than from the Rotac 912. So this has to be finished up as yet. Nice blue status indicator lights there. So at present, that's where things stand. I unfortunately missed my original target date for having it ready for an inspection. Of course, the control surfaces do function. Can't show the rudder without getting my feet on that. And then of course the flaps. So the original target was October 1st, and November 1st is an unknown because winter is here and it's cold, and doing fiberglass work is going to be tougher and tougher, although I can increase the accelerator. That's marginal, particularly at some of the temperatures we've been seeing. But I hope to get everything else completed except for that, if I can. Of course, the fuel connections have been made with the wing tanks, and the pitot connections are just about complete. So that's the status. Thanks for watching.